GM guys, today we are going to explore how you can integrate Dataprotector into a Next.js project. So a quick reminder, Dataprotector is an iExec developer tool that enables users to protect, manage, and monetize data within the Web3 ecosystem. And it leverages iExec technology, which is decentralized confidential computing. Let's dive in. So first we need a Next.js project. So you can go to the nextjs.org, then head over on the Getting Started section and click on installation. And we will pick the automatic installation, the easy one. So now let's pick a location on our computer. Let's open a terminal. Perfect. And let's run the command. For my project, I will set up with the following options. So let's call it our project Dataprotector. Then using TypeScript, yes. ESLint, yes. Tailwind, yes. ethrc directory, yes. AppRouter, yes. TurboPack, no. Import alias, yes. And let's go. While everything is installing, you will also need a wallet for this tutorial. We'll be using Reown, formerly known as Wallet Connect. It's a powerful wallet toolkit that integrates everything you need for Web3 projects. So let's head over to Reown and click on Start Building. And as you can see, then you need first to create an account, and you will be able then to create a project. So let's pick a name for our project, and you will need an homepage URL, and that's easy to get. So let's go back on our project and run the npm run dev command. You'll see it gives you a localhost URL, and we will pick this one. And all right, I will choose AppKit and then Next.js. All right, as you can see, we've got the package installation there, and there you will have your project ID. We will use it a little bit later. So let's stop and run Reown installation package command. All right, so we just installed the Reown package and everything looks good. So let's move on. So now we will open the project, and inside we'll create the Bellecour config sidechain. All right. So as you can see, I'm copy pasting all the code. You can find everything you need in the video description. I will provide every useful links, command, and the GitHub project. And you will be able to clone it on your computer, run it, and explore deep dive in the code. So this file contains the configuration which connects your project to the iExec sidechain network. It's a gasless sidechain, so no faucet or tokens are needed to use technology. It's pretty cool, right? So let's quickly explore this file. You can find the native currency, the RPC URL there, and the blog scoot explorer if you want to explore any transaction. Then second step, we need to create a Wagmi config file. So it's the classic configuration file, nothing crazy. It's quite the same for everybody. But as you can see there, we will need a secret Reown project ID. So let's create a .env file where I will add the next public Reown project ID. All right, and let's pick it up in our project there, and we are good to go. Okay, next step. Right now we need to create a context folder. Why? Because we will create a context provider. All right, and inside we'll create an index.tsx. And I will put my context provider file. So as soon as you created your context provider, we will need to go directly in the layout page and add there our context provider. As you can see, directly my IDE is proposing the code context provider, and I need to import it. All right, everything is going well. All right, everything is compiling correctly. Everything looks good. no error, so we can go on. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is installing Dataprotector and a few components from Shadcn. What is Shadcn? It's a really powerful component library where you can find everything you need to build some really cool UX and dashboard. So let's install Dataprotector and GraphQL. So why we need to install GraphQL? Because we will need to request our subgraph to get some information about the product data. So let's install it. Let's Shadcn button. Yes, natural. I recommend to show the legacy peer depth parameter, and we are good to go. Oh, just one more. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do now, I will copy paste the whole page .tsx, the whole content, but don't worry, I will explain everything in it. All right, cool. Everything is working fine. I can log out and log in, and I can add a name and a data to protect. Let's check the page.tsx and see how it's easy to install and use Dataprotector. As you can see there, after installing Dataprotector, you just need to import everything you need on the top of your document. Then what you will need, you need to get the provider, because it will be the main parameter of the iExec Dataprotector core. As soon as you've done that, you will be able to call every method available. And for this example, I will call protect data. For protect data method, you have two parameters. The first one is the name. It's a kind of tag, and you will be able to use it to find easily your protected data in the subgraph. And then the most important for this demo, it will be an email. It's the data you will protect. All right, let's protect the mail. So first you need to pick a tag. Then the mail you wanna protect. Let's protect the data. So the first transaction is to create the protected data. The second transaction is a signature to prove your identity to the production SMS. All right, what we have in return. As you can see there, we have a blockchain address, then the owner of the protected data, and an IPFS CID. Let's check what happened under the hood when I clicked on the Protect My Data button. As you can see there, the first step is your data has been encrypted with a symmetric key. And this symmetric key has been dropped on what we call a secret management service. It's basically a database that runs it what we call an enclave. An enclave is a black box where everything that happened in it remains totally confidential and private. Then data encryption and storage. The encrypted data, the mail, has been dropped on IPFS. It's a decentralized storage. It's public, but as data is encrypted, no worries. Nobody can decrypt it without the symmetric key. And finally, the Dataprotector smart contract. We call the smart contract to create the ownership of the data. It's an NFT linked to your wallet. You own your protected data. It means you will be able to set some governance rule and decide who can access to it and who can the benefits of it. It means you can set some monetization rules, like you will need to pay $10 to access and use my protected data. So this tutorial is almost finished. Let's make a quick sum up before wrapping up. As you can see there, first we installed Next.js, then we used a wallet called Reown. We just created a config folder with everything we need to connect to the sidechain Bellecour, then everything we need to be able to use the wallet, and then we needed a context provider. We installed Dataprotector, then import it, get the provider as a parameter, and then you will be able to call every method available. And let's go. You are now able to protect your data with Dataprotector.